Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is OGOM'S Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. So today we'll be making knotless braids and I'll be making use of darling attachments, which is two colors as you're seeing, color 30 and color 27. I think that is it. So knotless braid is a popular braid being made by women or being made by girls, babes at this particular moment of time. And because it's very pricey, if you're making this hair, you need to carry it for a very long time. I beg, please. I usually carry mine for like 2 months before I lose it because I can't make a hair with 12,000 naira and I will lose it after 3 weeks. No. Anyway, it all depends on your choice. So this particular hair took 6 hours for me to make it. We started around 1 p.m. and finished around 6. Thank God the girl was very fast. So many people will be asking, what is the cream that she's applying on the hair? The cream she's applying on the hair is Eco Gel, which will give the knotless braid a very nice finishing like underneath the hair so that it will be very neat while the hair is getting old. I guess that's the reason they're using it. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share any of my videos, and also join my membership. So right now, I won't be showing you like the very whole process, but I will be showing you like step by step as time goes on. So now knotless braid needs to be very neat, like very, very neat. The dividing needs to be very neat so that they will be seeing the bottom part of your hair. The bottom part of your hair needs to be seen. That is why I always advise people that whenever you want to make this hair, make sure you relax your hair. So I waited for my hair to be due. I retouched it and I was washing off the relaxer while at the beginning of the video you saw me. Now guys, please make sure that anytime you retouch your hair, don't braid it immediately because you're going to experience hair cuttage. Your hair will cut when you remove that particular braid. It's always advised that after retouching your hair, wait for some days before you braid, so that your hair will not break. So I retouched my hair days back and I washed it off. You need to wash off the relaxer before making any hair that you want to make so that the hair will be neat and it will last for you. I experienced some burning while I retouched my hair, but that's fine. It's going to go on its own. I needed this knotless braid to be neat, beautiful, and sparkling. So enjoy the rest of the video and please don't click out. This is my very first hair video that I'm posting on my channel. Okay, support me. All right, now I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Uku high current, onwetegi ina. Utegogi, kiwe bangole. Uku transformer. Uku high current, onwetegi ina. Uku otono bolo. Iyebu. Uku magneto. Uku high current, onwetegi ina. Uku high current, onwetegi ina. Utegogi, kiwe bangole. Uku transformer. Uku high current, onwetegi ina. Uku otono bolo. Iyebu. Uku magneto. magneto. Ukwu high current onwetegi ina. Nnukwute ukwu ọmalịcha ukwu. Ukwu high current onwetegi ina. Nnukwute ukwu ọmalịcha ukwu. Ukwu high current onwetegi ina.
So guys, this is the last drop of the hair in my head. As you can see the mpurobi of this hair, you can see the heart of this hair, you can see the neatness, you can see the beautiful hair that this lady made for me. Let me hear that I carried this hair 3 weeks or 2 weeks, I removed it. No, now we are trying to close the edge of the hair. No, we are not getting to the end because we are still going to coil it. So after braiding to the half of the hair, we're going to use scissors to trim the hair so that it won't be having any it won't be having any rough edges. That is what they call it. So we need to trim off all the rough edges on the hair, and after that we are going to be rolling it with bending rollers so that the mouth will have a very coily mouth. So that is what she's trying to do right now, and after that we put it in hot water. I lost the clip of the process of the hot water. So after that, this is the result. So we'll be losing it off, and remember that after making your hair, they will use the hot water and press it. This will help relieve any pain or any headache that you will be having. So they will be pressing it with this hot water. This is the most painful part of braid. Like the miracle, the hot water will it enters the brain. The blood blankata. No problem. Now, they need to press this water very well so that the hair will also relax. After that, we are putting on styling mousse on it so that it will be shiny too. And voila! This is the end result of everything. After applying the style mousse, she removed the bending rollers, and after removing the bending rollers, she trimmed off the excess edges that will be on the mouth so that the hair will not be like very, very long. So she has finished removing the bending rollers, and she's trying to cut off the excess edges so that the hair will still be looking neat. And yes, I'm still on track. So enjoy the rest of the video, and please, I'll be leaving her number on the screen in case you need to contact her. She's based in Abuja and she does home services. Her hand is very neat. Like, you will enjoy the service that she's going to render to you. I'll be leaving her number and her name on the screen. Please contact her. Tell her that you are coming from OGOM'S series or OGOM. Hair. I don't know the name that she will be knowing me with, but just show her this hair. She will definitely remember me. So thank you so much if you have watched up to this moment, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Now take a good look at this beautiful lush hair. I know I didn't use lush attachment, but take a good look at this lush hair, this beautiful hair. And now they're going to lay my baby edges, though they did not do the baby edges very well because she picked my whole hair because she wanted it to last very well for me. So she will just be using eco gel to put in the excess hair that will be coming out, and voila, that is it for our hair. Shake it, baby. Come around. This cameraman, come closer. Take it around. You need to see this beautiful hair. This hair is very beautiful. I will see you guys in my next one. If you enjoy this series, please do let me know. Bye.